Setting up your crypto wallet and exchange account. Welcome back to our cryptocurrency trading journey. Now that we understand the basics, it's time to take the first practical steps, setting up your crypto wallet and exchange account. This is where you'll store, buy, and trade digital assets securely. Let's get started. Why do you need a wallet and exchange account? Think of your crypto wallet as your digital bank account. It stores your cryptocurrencies securely. Meanwhile, a crypto exchange acts as a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both are essential to safely navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading. Choosing your wallet. There are three main types of crypto wallets, each with its own pros and cons. 1. Software wallets. These are apps installed on your phone or computer. Examples include Exodus, Electrum, and Mycelium. They are convenient for frequent transactions but less secure than offline options. 2. Hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your crypto offline, like Ledger Nano S and Trezor. They offer high security but are less convenient for quick transactions. 3. Paper wallets. A printed sheet with your private and public keys. Extremely secure from online threats, but easy to lose or damage. Choose the one that best fits your trading style. Setting up your wallet. Once you've chosen a wallet, follow these steps to set it up. Download or purchase. Get your software wallet from a trusted source, or purchase a hardware wallet from an official vendor. Install and set up. Create a strong password and back up your recovery phrase. This is crucial. Losing your recovery phrase means losing access to your funds. Secure your wallet. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and ensure your device is free from malware. This ensures your wallet is ready and protected for trading. Choosing an exchange. Next, you need a crypto exchange to buy and sell assets. Here are some of the most popular choices. Coinbase. Great for beginners, with a user-friendly interface and strong security. Binance. Low fees and an extensive list of cryptocurrencies, ideal for more experienced traders. Kraken. A well-established exchange with a focus on security and a wide variety of assets. Pick the exchange that fits your needs. Setting up your exchange account. Now let's get your exchange account ready. 1. Sign up. Visit the exchange's website and create an account. 2. Verify your identity. Submit your photo ID and proof of address for security. 3. Secure your account. Enable 2FA for an added layer of protection. 4. Deposit funds. Link your bank account or credit card to fund your account. Once done, you're ready to start trading. Action plan for the week. Here's your action plan for the week to get fully set up. Choose a wallet. Decide between software, hardware, or paper, and set it up. Secure your wallet. Enable 2FA and keep your recovery phrase safe. Select an exchange. Research and pick the exchange that best suits your needs. Set up your exchange account. Complete verification and deposit funds. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be fully equipped to start trading securely. Congratulations! You've now taken the essential first steps in cryptocurrency trading. With your wallet and exchange account set up, you're ready to explore, trade, and invest in digital assets. Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our next lessons. See you in the next video as we dive deeper into crypto trading strategies. Subscribe now for more crypto tips.